Hello fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how are you doing? Today we are going to continue the two-wheel drive conversion on my WLtoys K969. The only thing is missing now is a gyro. So I bought the Dasmikro version 5 gyro, and I bought these adapters so you can connect it to this WLtoys that has the 3-wire servo. Alright? This converts the plugs from the Dasmikro to JSTs. I already have one here, which is ready to install on the car. It will be something like this. The plug that has 4 wires goes for the male connector. Actually, this is the female, so the 4 wire go to the female connector, alright? And the 3 wire you connect directly. This will be connected to the car, and this to the gyro, to the servo. Alright? That's basically that. We'll install this in the middle of the communication line between the servo and the car. Alright? That's basically it. Now we do have to adjust the endpoints and find a way to mount it on the car so it doesn't vibrate too much. Maybe I'm gonna install it down here because I have free space. So I'll put it down here probably, because the rear is a little bit too tight. Yeah, it could work here as well, but when I want to remove these screws, I will have to remove the gyro. So for now I'm gonna install it down here. This is basically it. I'm gonna put the gyro down there. So before I adjust the endpoints, I'm gonna mount the servo on the car. Yeah, I can still adjust the gains. Transmitter on. Hold the button. Turn on the car. Yeah. You have to keep it present until it starts slow flashing. And you have to be fast, because you have limited time to turn it, to turn the steering wheel. Left, right, done. I think it's reversing. Not sure. I'm going to put it on the floor and test it. hope you liked the video. If it was helpful for you in any way, please hit that thumbs up. If you want to buy these links for the product down there in the description, they are affiliate. Please use them if you want to support my channel. Alright? Once again, thanks very much for your company, your support, and see you next time. Bye bye.